We are in the kitchen at the Giorgio restaurant, and the chef knife, the combat chef knife, is in action right now from the chef. All right, we're getting a live action in the kitchen. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at this. Is that how it works? Is that how chef knife works?
Yeah, no pressure. It's beautiful. It really is.
Oh, this is great. John says mineral oil, right?
Yeah, did he really?
Mineral oil, yeah. And hot soapy water to clean it up.
That's it.
Food prep, and then that's it. That's it. We're good to go. So we're okay with that.
I'm in awe.
Yeah, all right, all right.
Very happy.
So that's yours.
That's
That's a personal for you, right? And you we're gonna meet up with John, right?
Yes.
We're gonna meet up with John one day. We're gonna come here for lunch, and you give your
Yeah, we'll talk about it. Yeah, we'll talk about it.
You know, your assessment. You work with it for a little bit, see how it is, and give your expert opinion on it and everything like
I
that.
can't wait to talk to my knife guy about this.
Right.
The guy that sharpens my knife, not makes them. Nothing like that. But he's going to be pumped with this. He says. Yeah. I've had the same knife for almost 7 years now.
Is that right?
This is it. This is my new one. And I've been looking for a new one.
There you go.
So, good things always come to good people, right?
At the right time. There you go.
My man, Jimmy Boy, the best. Listen,
Right.
this shit don't happen every day, all right?
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you so much. Well, this is a good
Hey guys, welcome back. So as you just saw in that video, I did present the Combat Chef Knife. If you're interested, go up to the website right now. You can get the Combat Chef Knife. Typically the handle is going to be in some type of black micarta. We are going through the process of upgrading the website. That was one of the concerns I had from a few people. They wanted to add options and we didn't really have an easy way to do it. Mostly I would tell you just to go into the notes and to go ahead and send me an email, and then I'll fix whichever one that you wanted. Typically all the options are going to be there now. You just kind of click on the ones you want, put it in a basket, and hit go. Makes it easier for you, makes it easier for me, and there's a lot less emails going back and forth. There are some options that won't be there just because of either the way the steel is designed or maybe the way the knife is designed. So if you don't see that option, it's because of those reasons. All right, going forward, we're talking about chef's knives. So the chef loved the knife. He loved it. The Combat Chef Knife is available to purchase. This is the Wilderness Bowie. These are the knives that I'm currently using for the Combat Chef Knife. You can buy either one. They're exactly the same price. So if you want this, the Wilderness Bowie, to go out into the woods and chop up dinosaurs, this is your knife. If you want the knife to go and cut up tomatoes, get the Combat Chef Knife, all right? Still the same thing, same steel, everything's the same. The only difference is the profile will be different and the handle will be a little bit thinner, okay? But it's all good to go. All right, so let me get to it and then we'll start grinding and make an awesome knife. right, guys, so here it is. This is the Combat Chef Knife, brand new for 2022. I hope you guys like it. It is made of 52-100, which basically means that it is a carbon steel. You will have to maintain that. Now, what I suggest is some type of food safe oil. So mineral oil is best, olive oil second, and then maybe some other type of oil that you can use for your food products. Hot soapy water, do not put this in the dishwasher. The glue will come undone and then the handles will pop off and then you'll be yelling at me. So, hot soapy water, clean the blade off, then apply a little bit of mineral oil or olive oil and you should be good to go. The reason I don't like to use olive or corn oils as much is because they can go bad if you leave it on there for too long, and it will attract other type of bugs and mice and that kind of stuff. So, light coat, clean it up, you're good to go. All right, so 52-100 is ball bearing steel, excellent steel, and again, this thing's not gonna chip or anything like that. It's gonna, if anything, you just use a honing steel like you would in a regular chef knife and you'll be good to go. All right, so high flat grind, really nice. Black linea micarta is going to be the norm. 2 stainless steel pins and a coffin style handle. I don't know if you can see that right there. Coffin style handle, just to give it like that buoy kind of thing. It also will come with a Kydex sheath. The Kydex sheath is just basically to protect your knife. However, you can use this in the field. I did set it up for a large tech lock. These holes right here will hold a large tech lock. Again, you decide if you want to use this as a camp chore knife or as a tomato peeler. That's really up to you. Super razor sharp. That thing is like super razor sharp. And these are available. So if you want one, go on the website right now and order it. I will say, please get on that mailing list. Again, if you want to support this channel, you can go to Patreon, become a Patreon member. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Also get on the mailing list. The mailing list is the only place that I am going to send any type of discounts. All right, so if you're interested in that, please go ahead and do that. Again, thank you very much, guys. And as always, please stay safe.